Welcome back to the Black Hills and Eastern Railroad, everybody. I have made a decision that I want to make a small change to one of these panels that we've been working on here. And today we're at Meadowlark Tower, and what I want to do is I want to extend the Marshall subdivision line here to include the Jasper siding. And then remember how we have to do the fill and stroke, and we have to go into the stroke style and adjust that for the 2/10 of an inch, 2/10 of an inch rather than 2/10 of a millimeter. That look better. That looks better. And then I'm going to go ahead and add a line here to represent the, I guess on this layout, it's going to be a spur, but on the real thing, it is a siding. Yeah. And I want a connector line. And then I want my pointer back. And again, I want to move that back here a little ways so we have plenty of room to fit that switch in when we get there that far. And I will modify the stroke to see how that looks. Stroke to, again, 2/10 of an inch. It looks a little heavy, but I could be wrong. Change the angle on that just slightly. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab another item here and copy and paste a little hunk of track. And I want to extend that a ways because that siding is quite long. And back to 2/10 of an inch there. And we're just going to make sure that we're all good with all of our edges and stuff, and that does look pretty good. I'm going to raise that up just ever so slightly there. And then we will go to export, and I will remember to modify to 300 dpi, and I will give a file name here that makes sense. And I'm going to drop this into GIMP. And I want to drop that to a PNG file. Okay, so we can go over into GIMP now. Actually, I want to bring up I'll show you my Windows Explorer window so we can have an idea what I'm doing here. I don't know whether this is Wentworth for sure. If I called a Meadowlark Tower, I think is the one we want. And that'll open up in GIMP. Meadowlark Tower. Excellent, that's what I wanted there. Back that off just a little bit. And what I'll do is I'll go ahead and into the joint layer here. I want the graphic. I want to get rid of that's not what I want. Sorry, guys. Oh yeah, here we go. Then I can just go ahead and drop that PNG file that we just now exported into GIMP. And those text pieces should line up. Whoops. No, what did I do here? Control A and export, replace. Yeah, that's better. In fact, now that I think about it though, this looks weird with this Marshall subline being shorter than everybody else. So I'm going to go ahead and extend that out as far as the rest, because they are actually sort of parallel and they go just as far on the actual layout. Probably this piece here too. And we'll keep that. Just go back and check our stroke, fill and stroke. And then that one needs fixed there. And then we're going to do Control A and go back to export again and export. Go back to GIMP and get rid of that, just like you saw before. Bring that back once again. Wait for it. There we go. Go to my Move tool in GIMP. We're going to have to expand the canvas a little bit here. Canvas size, this is how we fix this. And I'm going to go to the height, change this to inches and get a good idea of where we're at here. So we're at half a page, the long way. 4.5 is not half a page. Let's go to 5 inches here, and we're going to do center the graphics currently. And I did happen to notice I'm going to have to resize this layer as well. Oops. Oh, you know what? That extends off the bottom of the page anyway. So you know what? We are going to just move that guy up. So you understand that the layer itself is actually bigger than the visible here. Now, since I have this all layer grouped together, I believe I can select my Move tool now and bring that all down all at once. See how slick that is? That's where we want to be. Then I need text to label inside here. This is Jasper. So I will just go ahead and select and duplicate the layer, and then we'll use my Move tool. And And we're going to zoom in here just a little bit, and I'm going to check my figure elevation 1555. There, I think that fixes it. We're ready to go to print with that now. I'll go ahead and save the XCF file here, and we're ready to go to color print with that. All right, anyway, that's about it for this time. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. And yeah, thanks for watching. Yeah, anyhow, thanks for watching here. Click subscribe. Once again, thanks for watching. Leave us a comment. Subscribe if you like the content here. And hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.